Ford F-150. Lightning just destroyed Tesla in sales. 7,913 trucks sold versus Cybertruck 7,126. But Tesla's fighting back. Today, we torture test these icons in minus 30 degrees Celsius snow, towing 9,000 pounds. Who runs out of juice first? Let's find out. Truck buyers are furious, promised 500-mile ranges. Reality bites hard, towing a boat or trailer. Poof, 40% range vanishes. Winter, another 30% gone. These aren't luxury toys, they're work tools. Failures cost jobs. So, we tested them all. Ford's F-150 Lightning, Tesla's stainless steel Cybertruck, Rivian's R1T. No hype, just brutal facts. Ford's Lightning started at 320 miles, towing through Michigan snow, 189 miles, a 41% drop. Tesla Cybertruck? Worse. 350-mile claim nosedive to 89 miles. Why? Its angular design creates a wind-drag disaster. Rivian R1T, king here. 420-mile range fell to 248 miles, still enough for a job site. Europeans, listen up. Megawatt charging is critical. The Lightning added 140 miles in 45 minutes. Cybertruck? 100 miles. Its 800-volt system overheated. Rivian? 175 miles. But in Norway's minus 30 degrees Celsius, all slowed by 50%. Battery chemistry matters. Ford starts at $65,190, $6,795, cheaper than Cybertruck. Rivian? $71,700. But Europe's CO2 taxes add 20,000 euros to diesel trucks. Suddenly, electric saves money. Forget American specs. In Germany, Ford leads sales. But Tesla's charging network dominates. Volvo's heavy e-trucks rule Nordic highways, 500-kilometer ranges built for EU winter. Rivian, still a ghost here. Tesla's pushing hard. UK sales jumped 224% in June. So, who wins? Work truck. Ford F-150. Lightning, cheaper, reliable. Tech icon, Cybertruck. If you ignore range flaws. Adventure, beast, Rivian R1T, best range, cold-proof. Truth. None hit promised numbers. But Ford's sales surge proves. Real work beats hype. Subscribe to Speed Scout.